Hi everyone, and welcome back to Tech Library. This is your one-stop channel for all things technology. Today we're diving into a topic that's important for many Snapchat users. An example of an agenda setting source is showing you how to make your account private. For the new Snapchat user, it might be that their account is not private and they are not sure how to go about it, or the account is already private, but the user needs to be advised on ways they can make their account more secure. Okay, let me demonstrate as a sequence. To begin with, the user needs to launch the Snapchat application and press on his profile picture in the upper left corner. This shall lead you to the profile page of yours, from where you can manage all the settings related to your account. Next, click on the gear icon or settings option available normally at the top right corner of the screen. This will pull up your Snapchat settings menu. Now, scroll down to find the Privacy or Account Actions category. Tap it to see the privacy settings. Here are different options that let you select who can follow you, message you, and see your snaps on Snapchat. To reduce visibility of your account, change basic features such as who can send me a friend request and only my friends, who can see my story. Sometimes you can select such options as only me or change more detailed settings according to your desire. Moreover, in case you have been cross or getting irritated with someone, the Snapchat has features for blocking and reporting users. Just search the user in search bar, click on the profile, and in the appropriate button you will find block or report. And that's how it is done. Therefore, by following these few strategies, you will be in a clean position of having secured your Snapchat profile.